man needs to go back to Nigeria and face their studies. Hey guys, good morning. This is Monday and it's 9:02 in the morning, and I'm going to be apologizing for my audio in my last video. My audio was not so good, but then I decided to use my mic. As you can see, my mic is here in this video because my last video I used my iPhone to do the video, and my mic, the mouth, like the pin for the mic can only enter my Samsung phone, so that's the problem. I couldn't put it in my iPhone, so that's why. But right now I'm filming with my Samsung, so I hope it's going to be better this time around, the audio. I have a video that's going to be coming up today, my what's on my iPhone video. That video is probably going to come out before this one. So I saw something, it's not something new. I saw it on Pinterest. I also saw it on YouTube somewhere, and I want to try it out. It's a kind of breakfast where you bread, Nutella and banana. I've never tried it before. I only eat bread and Nutella, but I'm wondering how the banana will be on it. But I'm going to be trying it this morning. I hope the audio for this video is better. So we're going to try and check what this Nutella bread and banana is going to be like. So let's go to the kitchen and start something. So guys, this is what it looks like. This is what I got from Pinterest and from YouTube as well. So I'm going to try this out. I've not eaten this before. Let's take a bite and know how it's going to taste. Let's do this. It's good. I'm done with the breakfast and it was very good. It was very nice. I've never tried it before, but it's good. But it's not like something I'll be eating regularly. No, I'm not going to be doing that. But this coffee, oh my god, this Starbucks coffee is very nice, very good. What my home screen looks like. I use widget Smith and some other shortcuts to do everything. In case my camera quality changes at one point, you know that I'm using my both phones to do this video. because I'm trying to get good audio with my Samsung using my mic and a brighter video quality with the iPhone. So yeah, you guys should bear with me. Today's video has been a vlog. As you guys have been seeing, I went out the first time to go and get my hand luggage because I'm preparing to go back to Nigeria. Uni is going to open first week of September, so I need to buy things. I'm going to use and go back to uni. So I've bought one box and okay, I bought two boxes. I bought a hand luggage and another luggage. So I want to get some food, something I'll eat because I've not eaten this morning and it's currently 4:40 something in the evening. So yeah, I think I'm still going to go out and buy a few more things, but if I'm not going to buy anything, I'm going to update you guys. So if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and enjoy this vlog. I'm tired. Man needs to go back to Nigeria and face their studies, get that degree. How am I looking? Am I looking nice? You guys should tell me in the comment section. So guys, as you can see, my cornrows are out. This is Saturday and my cornrows are out. Let me place this somewhere here. My cornrows are out. My cornrows are out. And I want to wash my hair and make my cornrows again because I need to I need to make my cornrows because I'm going back to Nigeria by next week. So I need to wash my hair. I know some people will say it's too early for me to do that, but I want to do it now so it can get off my mind. I'll wash my hair and then do my cornrows, and then next week I'll buy up the remaining stuff I need to buy for Nigeria. And is there any other thing? I'm not doing anything much today, just random stuff so you guys can see they're out. So yeah, I'll see you guys on oh, I forgot to show you guys my box, but you guys will see later. So I'll see you guys on Monday. You got to let it go. 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 I'm ready to let go, go. I'm ready to let go. I'm ready to let go, go. I'm ready to let go. I'm ready to let go, go. I'm ready to let go. You got to let it go. So guys, good evening guys. I'm inside the car again and I went to go and buy a few things I'm going to be using to go back to Nigeria, and that's basically what I did today. I'm going to be leaving on the 9th of September because my flights got cancelled and then we booked the flights. I was supposed to leave on 8th, but then they cancelled because of COVID and then we booked it for 9th. So yeah, that's when I'm going to travel. So I'm tired. I want to rest. I can see my face. I'm tired. Oh my god. I'll see you guys later, or this might be the end of the video. So I don't know if this will be the end. Bye guys. If it's not, then overall, bye guys.